Whoa, it's our guy. I'm late. I'm sorry. What are these guys doing?
He's good.
Look at this guy. He doesn't even know what this car is.
He's got 6 bolts, man.
6 bolts on the wheels.
Up and then under the door from the fucking hinge itself instead of the hinge.
So sit rep. This guy's out past his bedtime. This guy's girlfriend's worried about him. This guy brought his girlfriend with him. That's smart. This guy came in his biker boots. This guy towed the car here. That's Mike G. Kurt Dog's in there. Doors moving out. Now just a 2-door Cadillac.
I'm sober today.
What's the update? I was late.
I don't know what to say, man. Don't use that for your footage.
Okay, gotcha.
Do I look like Fine Judge right now?
Okay, send it. Send it.
Vaguely familiar.
Right.
My man hit the floor.
Get a zoom in on the stairs.
Yes.
Yeah, baby, I like it raw. Yeah, baby, I like it raw. Oh, there we go. Yeah!
I'm going.
That's everything right there. The head bonk symbolizes the last 49 hours of my life.
Just bolt that shit straight in.
But it happened. We're here. Colton says I'm just gonna bolt that shit right in.
Yep.
Just gonna bolt right on in. I'll
wall.
fucking Paul wall.
You guys remember that motherfucker?
Man, Lito, you're so strong. Just blow it off the other side of the truck.
Aw. Our dad said it looks broken. What happened to no time to hate, Lito? I'm just honest, it just looks broken.
Nice! Oh, that one was fucking sick.
Okay, $400, Michael. Casnito decided we're not using it. More money.
Sold. To Michael B.
Michael B.
Sold. My favorite 4-letter word. Sold. Should have been an auctioneer. Sold. Your POV engine installing right now, bud.
You're the
When
LS.
you start your OnlyFans.
Bro, you're the LS going in.
A little bit more.
The flanges is on the fucking way.
Everything's hitting everything, for fuck's sake. My headers are fucking hitting everything. Fucking oil fans, fucking down close to everything. Fucking steering shafts in the fucking way. You know what's cool though? The starter is not in the way of anything.
Boom, bitch. Get in there.
Whoa. Check out that engine mount. That's custom.
Slicing a Beavis and Butthead. Right here.
The weight will
I'm
keep
bang
it.
on. I'm bang on, Lidl.
Now you can bring it.
Like bang on. Because originally I was gonna do fucking whatever.
Hey, what's going on?
We're shaking your heads, boys.
Nope, we're done. I'm out of here.
It's not done.
It's not done.
Far from done.
It will be the next time people see it on the internet. Well,
Doubtably.
maybe not done,
Doubtably.
but probably closer. I mean, this was not even 24 hours, so give you another 24.
I need at least 48, bud.
The next 48.
Wiring, exhaust, header modification, fucking engine mounts, transmission mounts, fucking unlock the ECU. I still got cage it.
Oh,
I got a customer car outside that needs to be caged by the end of the week too.
It's a cageless tandem event.
Bro, this thing's like, hurt yourself. It's set up to hurt yourself.
I got the same thing.